to Harvard.
This is Aaron Booker with Varvard.com. I'm here with HTG 11, the first across the pond HTG group. And this is, what meeting is this for you guys anyway?
It's the third meeting.
Third meeting. What kinds of things are you seeing now that is impacting your businesses out of HTG?
I mean, obviously, generally I think it's a lot of learnability that is resulting in growth.
What other kinds of things are you guys seeing?
We're exchanging best practices at the moment, especially around the financial bits and pieces, which is really important in the current climate. So yeah.
So you're seeing overseas as well, not just it's not just a States thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. We're getting to compare best practices between what we do and what they do over here.
Are there things that are significantly different about doing business in the two places too?
There are things that are different, but I think there's a lot of similarities as well. Some cultural differences, but nothing that can't be overcome.
Okay. What are some things that you're finding? Are you finding that you're getting together as a group between meetings too, or talking on the phone, communicating via email? Are there other ways that you're communicating too?
We have a monthly conference call, which is very useful because it means that we can stay in touch and see how we're progressing on our goals. And certainly whenever we meet up at meetings, obviously we visit a pub, as we call it, back in the UK. And yeah, it's great to catch up with your colleagues.
I know that for myself and my group, that's been a huge part of what the growth for me is, just having people to talk to. That's been true for you guys too. I see a lot of heads nodding.
Absolutely, yeah. So I think we communicate a lot outside of the HTG meetings, a lot of emails and phone calls going backwards and forwards, and we've started collaborating on work and other bits and pieces like that.
All right, and I'll just finish with you, Chris. What's the one thing that you can say about HTG that hasn't already been said?
Oh, it's great. I mean, as a small company, myself and a lot of the companies here are a lot bigger than me. I've certainly learned a lot about how they've grown their business and how they've used their best practices. So yeah, it's been really good.
Thanks so much. Thanks for talking with me.
Thank you.